The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones of 2025, but what can we really expect? In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far about its launch date, features, price, and more. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the launch date. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch in 2025, with rumors pointing to a mid-year release. While the exact date isn't confirmed yet, one thing is clear: this drone is already generating a lot of buzz. If you're a drone enthusiast, this is definitely something to keep on your radar. Now, let's get into the features. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to come with some major upgrades. First, the camera is expected to have a larger sensor, which means better photo and video quality, especially in low-light conditions. Second, the battery life is likely to be improved, giving you more time in the air. Third, the drone will probably feature advanced obstacle avoidance, making it safer and easier to fly. And, of course, it will keep the foldable design we all love, making it portable and convenient. Finally, expect some smart features like AI-powered tracking and automated flight modes, which will make capturing professional shots even easier. Next up, let's talk about the price. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be priced between $2,250 and $3,200 USD. That's a bit higher than the Mavic 3 Pro, but it reflects the premium features this drone is expected to offer. There might also be different versions available, like a Fly More combo, which could include extra batteries and accessories. If you're planning to invest in this drone, it's worth saving up for the best package. So, who is this drone for? The Mavic 4 Pro is clearly aimed at professionals and advanced hobbyists. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for top-tier performance, this drone will likely be worth the investment. It's also perfect for anyone who wants the latest and greatest in drone technology. How does it compare to the competition? The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to go head-to-head with drones like the Autel EVO and Sony AirPeak. But DJI has a strong reputation for quality and innovation, so it's likely to remain a top choice for many users. Of course, there are still a lot of rumors and speculation. Some leaks suggest the Mavic 4 Pro might integrate with DJI's ecosystem, like the RC Pro 2 controller. Others say the focus will be on improving image quality and flight performance. But remember, these are just rumors for now, so take them with a grain of salt. To wrap it up, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be an incredible drone. With a 2025 launch date, premium features, and a price tag to match, it's definitely one to watch. Are you excited about the Mavic 4 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.